Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to submit the assignments or exams you have written at your home to the teachers by using Google Classroom. For this, as usual, you have to pick the subject for which subject you want to submit the assignment. So here in my Google Classroom, one subject is there, information technology. I am opening that. So after opening that, if you click on the classwork tab, here you can see that what are the assignments given to you by your teacher. So here two assignment has given. You are not yet submitted the assignments. That's why both are visible in blue color. If you submit the assignment, it will be turned to gray color. So let us see. For suppose I want to submit the assignment for word processing notes part 2. So simply tap on that one. So here if you in down of your mobile, it is showing that your work missing, means you are not yet submitted the assignment. So here what you have to do is simply tap on the add work, which is available in blue color. Simply tap. Now here these are the different options through which you can submit the assignment. So you can keep all the scanned copies of the assignments in Google Drive, then you can link it, or else by using your camera you can take the photos and you can give, or else you can convert as a file and later on you can upload. You can give it as the link, or different options are there. The best method is that scanner option, because you are writing the assignments on the notes and you are taking the pics and you are sending. So that's why scanner is the best option for submitting the assignment. So let us see how to do. For this, first simply tap on the scanner. So here, for suppose you have written the assignment for 4 pages, so simply take a pic. Then if everything is okay, simply press tick mark. Now if you want to take pic of one more page, then here in left corner one plus icon is there, tap there, then you can turn the page and you can take the photo. Yeah, after that again press on tick mark, then again turn your page and press on the plus button and take the photo. Again if everything is okay, tick mark. Now again if you want to take pic of one more page, so press on the plus icon. Now here take the pic. So assume that within 4 pages you have completed your assignment. Now what you have to do is simply click on the save. Now what happens is, so what are the photos you have taken? All the photos are converted into the single PDF document and that will be attached. See this one, your work. If you click on the up arrow, here it will show that what are the photos you have taken. All the photos has been converted to the single PDF. If you tap on that one, you can see that what are the pics you have taken here. So you can scroll through that and if everything is okay, you can submit. So let us see. It takes few seconds based on your net speed. Yeah, maybe it's processing. Yeah, so like this attachment can be done. After that what you have to do is at the bottom of your mobile one button is there in blue color, hand in. Simply click on that one, then only your assignment will be submitted. Then you have to click on submit. Now your assignment has been submitted to the teacher. At the bottom you can see the notification, work submitted. So this is the way you can submit the assignment to the teacher. Now if you come back here, if you carefully observe that first assignment word processing notes part 2 has turned to gray color, means that assignment has been already submitted. Second one is in blue color, means that assignment is not yet submitted. Assume that by mistake you have submitted another assignment. What to do? For that again open the word processing notes part 2 and go to your work. Now here at the bottom one option is there, unsubmit, means by mistake you have submitted another topic. So then you simply click on unsubmit. Then your assignment will be unsubmitted so that your teacher cannot see your assignment. So this is the way you can submit the assignments by using Google Classroom.